Hello there, sixth graders. Here we have page 81, which you had for homework. I'm going to complete number 8, all right, as a review and to set as an example because some of you still have doubts, okay? And for those that need to clarify any doubt, well, this is going to be very helpful. Okay, as we multiply or we divide mixed numbers with fractions or fractions with fractions, right? Or mixed numbers by mixed numbers, the important thing to know is that whenever we have a mixed number, we must change that mixed number into an improper fraction. So we proceed with multiplying denominator by whole number, 6 times 2, which is 12, and we are going to add 5, okay, which is 17. So we are going to proceed to write 17 as a numerator, and the denominator stays the same. All right, so there we have an improper fraction of 17 over 6. We're always going to change division to multiplication. Since we already have a fraction here, we don't have to change any mixed number. We look at the fraction and we're going to write its reciprocal, or as I say, flip the fraction. Instead of 1 over 2, we're going to write 2 over 1. The next step is we are going to see if we can cross cancel by finding the greatest common factor. Whenever we have a number 1, we never cross cancel because every number divided by 1 is going to equal itself. So we are going to check for 2 and 6. The greatest common factor is 2. That means that I'm going to divide 2 by 2 is 1. 6 divided by 2 is 3. Now I'm going to proceed to multiply numerator by numerator and denominator by denominator, which means 17 times 1 equals 17. 3 times 1 equals 3. This is what we call an improper fraction because the numerator is larger than the denominator. In order to change this, we must divide. So we're going to say 17 divided by 3. How many times does 3 fit into 17? So 3 times 4 is 12, 3 times 5 is 15, and 3 times 6 is 18. We can never go overboard, so we can't use 6. 4 is too low, so we're going to use 5. 3 times 5 is 15. We will subtract, so 7 minus 5 is 2. Here we have a 0. Okay, our answer is going to be, the quotient that we have here is the whole number, and we are going to, with the remainder, we make up a fraction. The remainder is always the numerator, and the divisor is the denominator. As you can see, the denominator always stays the same. So our answer would be 5 2/3.